These 7 hooks are behind almost every TikTok ad that actually converts, and I'm gonna show you all 7 with real examples. By the end of this video, you'll know all 7, why they work, and how to turn any single one of them into a finished TikTok ad in about 2 minutes without filming a thing. What's going on, everyone? My name is Eric, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you make ads that actually sell without a production budget. Here's what nobody tells you about TikTok ads. The first 3 seconds decide everything. Not your product, not your offer, not your editing, the hook. So today I'm breaking down the 7 hook types that keep showing up in ads that convert, then building a batch of them right in front of you. Why the first 3 seconds decide everything. So here's the problem that every advertiser runs into. You cannot win on TikTok with one perfect ad. The platform rewards speed and volume. You need a stack of hooks so the algorithm can find the one that pops. But most people run dry after 2 or 3 angles. So they test the same tired opener over and over and wonder why nothing lands. That's the whole reason for this video. And stick with me to the end, because once you have all 7, I'm gonna generate a whole batch of finished ads from just one of them. Let's get into it. Hook 1, the pattern interrupt. You open with something so unexpected that people cannot help but stop scrolling. On TikTok, shock does not mean anything extreme. It just has to break the rhythm of what people expect. So instead of here's a healthy soda, you open with stop drinking soda. Actually, do not. Just switch it. That little contradiction snaps the brain to attention. The second hook is the bold claim. You say something so strong and so confident that people can't ignore it. This gut soda outsells Coke in my house. Most greens powder are a waste of money. This one is not. Each one almost feels like a challenge. The viewer instantly thinks, wait, is this true? Prove it. That skeptical little itch is exactly what you want, because now they're locked in to find out. The line between a bold claim and clickbait is simple. Can you back it up? If you say a product doubled your energy, you'd better show it. Do not invent a crazy claim. Just take the truth and frame it more powerfully. Same fact, 10 times stronger. Hook 3, the pain call out. The third hook names a frustration the viewer is already living through. When someone feels seen, they instantly pay attention. If you get the 3 o'clock energy crash every single day, this is for you. You've tried 5 different pre-workouts and none of them actually work. The viewer leans in because it feels like you read their mind. This works because people pay more attention to pain than pleasure. Losing $100 stings more than winning $100. But do not just pile on the negativity. The point is to say, I get it. I've been there, and here's the fix. Name the pain, then promise the relief. Hook 4, the curiosity gap. The fourth hook is the curiosity gap. Instead of giving the answer up front, you tease it and leave a loop open so they stay to close it. I found the one soda my dentist actually recommended. This one swap cut my afternoon coffee habit in half. You gave them the topic, but the payoff is missing. That gap is the itch, and the brain hates an unfinished thought. Hook 5, social proof. The 5th hook is social proof. You let the crowd do the convincing before you say a word about the product. Over 2 million cans sold, and the reviews are honestly a little insane. 40,000 people switched to this, and now I get why. If that many people bought in, the viewer's brain quietly decides it is probably worth a look. The trick is to make the proof specific. A lot of people love this, does nothing. 2 million cans sold this year lands, because a real number feels like evidence instead of a slogan. Hook 6, the question. The 6th hook is simply asking a question. It sounds too basic to work, but it works because you're meeting people right where their head already is. What if the soda you already crave was actually good for your gut? Why do you crash every afternoon, even after a full night of sleep? A question flips the viewer from scrolling to answering. Their brain cannot help but respond. The 7th hook is the list. Numbers make people stay. 3 reasons people are dumping their energy drinks for this. 5 things I wish I knew before I quit soda. Every number you say is a mini promise. If you say 3 reasons, the viewer's brain says, okay, let me see the first one. Then they might as well see the second. It's a checklist, and they feel unfinished until they tick every box. Turning one hook into a batch of ads. So those are the 7. Pattern interrupt, bold claim, pain call out, curiosity gap, social proof, question, and list. Save this video because that list alone is worth coming back to. But here's the real problem. Knowing 7 hooks does not help if you can only film 1 ad a week. To win, you need to turn every one of these into a finished ad and test them all. That's where I show you the tool that I use to do it. So this is Creatify, and I'm going to open the agent, take one of these 7 hooks, and spin it into a whole batch of TikTok ads on autopilot. Okay, here we are inside of Creatify. So first and foremost, let's go ahead and make those 7 ads that you saw there at the beginning of the video. So first things first, I'm just gonna go ahead and paste this super in-depth prompt here, and it's gonna give us these 7 different ads for this Olipop drink. So first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and copy this link over here. We'll come back to product. We'll go ahead and just use that Olipop product. It's the same thing here, but it's already in there. So we'll go ahead and save some time and use that product. I'm also gonna switch from light to pro. So in this last line here, before you generate anything, tell me how many credits this will use and wait for me to approve. First, we'll go to plan mode, and now we're good to go ahead and set this off. Now, because we're making 7 different TikTok ads for each soda, this is gonna take a little while, so we'll come back to this. Okay, so it looks like our plan came back. And again, if you wanna look at this entire prompt, here is the prompt that we gave it. And here is what it went ahead and spit out. So here's the plan: 7 ads, same creator, same kitchen setup. Hook is the only variable. So it's a good, clean A/B test. So we've got those different hook styles. Number 1, pattern interrupt. Number 2, bold claim. Number 3, pain call out. Number 4, curiosity gap. Number 5, social proof. Number 6, question. And number 7, list. So we're gonna go ahead and just let this run. So we'll go ahead and say, it just says reply approve, and I'll build the creator music, then cue all 7. Approve, go ahead and begin creating all of these ads.
Regular soda leaves me bloated and crashing by the afternoon. Every single time. This one has just 3 grams of sugar and prebiotic fiber that actually supports my gut. Same creamy vanilla, none of the regret. 3 reasons this replaced every soda I owned. Starting with the best one. 1, it tastes like real cream soda. 2, 9 grams of fiber. 3, only 3 grams of sugar. Honestly, better than dessert. This one's got prebiotics and 9 grams of fiber to support digestive health, and it still tastes like dessert. That's kind of new. I quit soda to drink more soda. Okay, that sounds insane, but hear me out. This Olipop tastes exactly cream soda, but it's 3 grams of sugar and 9 grams of fiber. So yeah. Daily habit now. This cream soda has more fiber than a bowl of oatmeal. I'm dead serious. 9 grams, that's 32% of your daily fiber. In a soda that tastes like melted vanilla ice cream. 436 people gave this cream soda 4.7 stars. 95% of them recommend it, so I finally caved.
So now that those 7 videos are done, we're gonna take the bold claim video and have Creatify turn it into 5 more TikTok variations. So we'll go ahead and just paste that prompt in there. So again, it says now just take the bold claim hook and go deeper. Make me 5 more TikTok ads for the same product, all opening with a bold claim, but 5 completely different claims. No 2 openers can say the same thing in different words. Every claim backed by something real on the product page. And we'll go ahead and send that off, and we'll check back in once that's finished. All right, so it looks like our 5 videos are here, so let's go ahead and check them out one by one.
1 can give you 1/3 of your daily fiber. 9 grams of prebiotic fiber in a soda. That's 32% of what you need all day, and it tastes like a vanilla milkshake. This is a soda that's actually good for your gut. It's made with prebiotics and botanicals that support your digestive health, the kind of thing your gut actually wants. And it tastes incredible. Your soda now has marshmallow root and cactus in it. It's a blend of prebiotic plant fiber and botanicals. Marshmallow root, no-gall cactus, chicory root to support your gut. In a cream soda.
The payoff. Watch it build. Now watch what it does, because this used to take a person a full day. The agent reads the Olipop page on its own. It pulls the name, the description, and the images. Then it writes 5 different scripts. each opening with a bold claim hook, casts an avatar for each, matches a voice, lays in captions, and starts rendering, all from those 2 sentences I typed. So if you want to go ahead and try this yourself, the link to Creatify is in the description below. Sign up through it to run on your own product. So there you have it. Remember, the hook only opens the door. What's behind it has to be good too. But win those first 3 seconds and you've already beaten most of the ads in the feed. Now if this helped you out, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you do not miss the next one. And try Creatify for free at the link down below. Go test a couple of these hooks on a real product, and I'll see you here in the next video.